Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. And in this tutorial, I will be showing you how you can recreate this type of typography. It's really simple to do, and let's see how that happens. To do that, we'll be first creating a new document. For this video, I will be using this A4 size document, and I'll let the orientation be be in a landscape format. And I will rename my document to be hustle and create. Okay, right. So I'll go over here to this type tool and create a really big box right across my page. So all this dummy text comes up. We do not need that. So I'll click on backspace to delete and type in hustle. I'll select this again, the font, this word, and increase the font size from 12 to 200 and be choosing a different type of font style. So I'll be using this Bonbon Regular. Okay. Another thing is that this type of font style, Bonbon Regular, it's not available in Adobe Illustrator. You will have to download it for free and install it. There are various websites where you can download fonts for free and then install it. So once that's done, I'll right click on the word and create outline to create a solid shape. So once that's done, again I'll be going to this Pathfinder panel, which is right behind Layers panel, and clicking on Unite. So by clicking on Unite, it creates one solid outline, one solid continuous outline. And while it's still selected, we'll be creating an offset path. So we'll go to Object, Path, and Offset Path. So I'll be giving it a certain value. Instead of 10, I will be giving it a 5 and click on Preview. So yeah, 5 looks pretty good. Or no, actually I'll decrease it to 3. Yep, 3 looks a lot better, and clicking on OK. So by default, when we create a pathfinder like that, it also ends up grouping with the text as well. So we'll select all of this, right click and clicking on ungroup, so that it becomes separate. So we'll be selecting just the text that we just wrote and changing the fill color from black to white to differentiate between the pathfinder, this path, with the text as well, right? So once that's done, I'll be selecting just the text again and uniting them again like that. Okay, so I'll be selecting just the outline we just created. So make sure only the outline is selected and be uniting this again like that. Okay, so once that's done, I'll select just the outline like this. Go to Object, Blend, okay, no wait. I'll be first selecting this outline only and making a copy right behind the text we just made. To do that, we'll be going to Edit, Copy, Edit, and paste in back, and then just bring it down a little like this. Okay, so we'll be selecting both the outlines we just made. Go to Object, Blend, and Make. So once that's happened, we go back to the blending option again, and this time we go to Blend Options, and in the spacing option we'll be using the specified steps and increasing the value to 50 to create a much more smoother outlook. And okay, so once this is made, we'll be selecting the inner text, which is filled with white, and making us another copy out of it again. We're going to edit, copy, edit, and paste that back. So once that's done, we'll just bring the paste behind one a little to the left like that, and we're changing the fill of this text. So we'll select this fill option right here, and the fill would be a light pink color. So the code for this light pink, this pinkish shade will be FF2468, and OK, like that. And then you can just bump it down, upwards, downwards, however you want, like that. And there you go. Our word hustle is now made. And it's very similar to the one right here. So now the only thing that is left to do is that we'll select a white text again, and we will be giving a black stroke to it, like that. And that's it. So the stroke is by default, it's 1. You can let it be the way it is, or you can increase the size as well to 2 if you like that. And of course, we can go ahead and enlarge this as well, like that. Whoops. Okay. Like that, so that it fits to the document like that. So let's go ahead and also save this. To do that, we'll go to File, Save As. So by default, our Save As type file would be Adobe Illustrator. I highly recommend that we save a file in this format so that in case if I want to access my file to make any changes, I can easily do that. And I let the file name be Hustle the way it is and click on Save and OK. So now you can see that in our document that we were creating this word, this .ai comes, which shows this is now successfully been saved as an AI file. So that's it. I hope you found this video to be useful, and you can go ahead and try this, experiment with this style with different words as well. And you can use this type of typography for any type of purpose, be it a college project that you're doing, or for a school project, or any freelancing or personal project that you're doing. So thank you for watching. Keep experimenting and keep practicing. Stay tuned for more.